Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop ads on Ihappy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to basically sign up or pay for a subscription. And now this is going to completely remove ads. So to do this, we want to go ahead and open up Ihappy, go to profile. Now these ads are quite annoying, as you probably already know this, so I'm going to skip out of this ad. Same thing for this one, skip out. Now I think they really overdo it on the free version with this application, just using it for a little bit here just for making these videos. So from here I'm in profile. Now we've got premium here, so if we go ahead and click onto that, it's going to say try out all the benefits of VIP status, so we can get more attention as well, see everyone who likes you. Basically no more ads, no more of those annoying ads, and also priority messaging. So we can sign up to 1 week, 1 month, or 6 months. So you're not only just going to remove ads, you're also going to get more attention and see everyone who likes you as well. So there are some good benefits for this. So go ahead and click on activate VIP, and then basically go through the process. We can add a card, so it's going to pay via your Google Play account, or if you're on iOS, it's going to be similar. So we can add a PayPal. If you don't, add a card, redeem a code, and pay for that subscription using your Google Play account. And then that's going to completely remove those annoying ads.